Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preserving your data and getting into the recovery environment. This prevents loss and gives repair tools. Once in WinRe, choose Troubleshoot then Advanced Options and open Command Prompt so you can run low-level fixes. You will run quick checks first, disk and boot records. Make sure to note which drive letter is Windows in this environment, since it can change. These first steps let you act safely and prepare the system for targeted repairs that follow. Next, you address disk integrity and boot records, because 0xc00000b often stems from corrupted boot or system files. First run chkdskc/f/r to locate and repair bad sectors. This prevents file access errors. Then run bootrec/fixmber and bootrec/fixboot to restore master boot record and boot sector. These commands re-establish proper boot code. Once done, run system file checker offline, sfc with /offbootdir and /offwindir to repair missing or damaged Windows files. These steps resolve the. Finally, you rebuild the boot configuration if previous steps didn't fully repair it. Use bootrec/rebuild or bcedit to recreate entries so Windows loads. Once finished, restart and test whether Windows boots normally. If it does, remove temporary media and let the system run through startup checks. If the error persists, restore from your backup or system image to return to a working state. One key troubleshooting tip: test RAM and drive connections, because intermittent hardware faults often recreate 0xc00000b after software fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.